Hi, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see the Formula 14, how to pull the year from the data. Let me show you this example quickly. If you'd like to learn more skills, please subscribe my channel Review Skills and let's play with the data without further wasting time. So here is the example. Okay, here you look at this from this date, you can able to find from H column different years. So if it is simple data, that is fine. If it is used data, how can we able to work in the same manner? Let's try to check this. So just give year. Maybe sometimes you boss may ask, let's select the date. Okay, you can get like this. Suppose if you apply the same formula, all years are there. Here you go. This is how you can able to do it. The function is year and your target date. That's it. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.